what I began to understand and learn from watching her is that pesticides are about the worst thing in the world that we can do to our body. And that sent me on my own mission to get healthy with the food that I put into my body. And so today I try to eat almost 100% organic for that reason, just because I know that pesticides and fruit in particular have so many pesticides sprayed on them. And every day we ingest that stuff. We ingest chemicals all day with not just the food we eat, but with the things that we put in washing our clothes. So, it's kind of like a glass with water dripping in it. Our body is like a glass. And as water drips into the glass, eventually it's going to overflow. And that's how our bodies are with chemicals. And I watched my friend, and I in turn began to do things to eliminate as many of the chemicals that I could.